Introducing the Exynos 260, a chip built for the age of artificial intelligence. At its heart is a powerful neural processing unit, making devices smarter, not just faster. Samsung's launch focused on real-world AI, devices that see, listen, and learn, all while protecting your privacy. The Exynos 260 is more than silicon. It's a declaration of independence. It's the engine for a new generation of devices, changing the way we interact with technology. The tech industry has hit a plateau. Smartphones are evolving, but the leaps are smaller. Each new model brings minor upgrades, but the excitement is fading. Meanwhile, artificial intelligence has exploded, but it lives in the cloud. Massive data centers, run by a few giants, handle most AI tasks. Your phone sends data far away, waits for a response, and only then gets smarter. This model is powerful, but it creates dependency. Companies like Google and Amazon control the infrastructure and your data. Two big problems emerge: privacy and reliance. Your personal information travels to remote servers, and you have to trust those companies. If your internet fails, your device loses its intelligence. The system is powerful, but fragile and centralized. The industry faces a crossroads, slowing device innovation and AI controlled by a few gatekeepers. Samsung saw these issues and decided to act. Their answer? Bring intelligence back to the device itself. The Exynos 260 is designed to break this cycle. It's about local AI, smarter devices that don't depend on the cloud. This shift could unlock a new era of innovation. Samsung is challenging the status quo. They want to put power and privacy back in users' hands. The Exynos 260 is their first step. The industry may never be the same. The Exynos 260's secret weapon is its on-device AI. The chip's NPU runs complex AI tasks right on your phone, no cloud required. It's like giving your device its own brain. This means instant responses, even offline. The NPU is the star, built for pattern recognition, language processing, and more. It's fast and energy efficient, so your battery lasts longer. This is a breakthrough for mobile devices. Imagine a voice assistant that works anywhere, or a camera that translates text in real time. Your phone learns your habits, all without sharing your data. Local AI is faster, more private, and more reliable. Samsung uses a cutting-edge 2-nanometer process, packing more power into a smaller chip. More transistors mean more efficiency and smarter performance. The Exynos 260 isn't just about speed, it's about intelligence. Samsung is building the foundation for a new kind of computing. Devices become personal, proactive, and private. This is the promise of the Exynos 260. With the Exynos 260, Samsung is taking on tech giants like NVIDIA and Apple. NVIDIA dominates cloud AI with its powerful GPUs. But Samsung is shifting the battlefield, making on-device AI the new frontier. By empowering devices to think locally, Samsung reduces reliance on cloud servers. This challenges NVIDIA's dominance and changes the AI landscape. Apple, meanwhile, has led with custom chips and a closed ecosystem. They've moved toward on-device processing for privacy, but Samsung is going further. The Exynos 260 is designed for a wide range of devices, not just phones. Samsung's vision is an open ecosystem: phones, appliances, cars, all powered by their chip. Apple builds a walled garden. Samsung wants a connected world. The Exynos 260 is the heart of this vision. It's a direct challenge to Apple's control and NVIDIA's cloud dominance. Samsung is saying, "We can match your hardware, and our vision is bigger." The competition is fierce, but the stakes are even higher. The future of AI may be decided by who controls the device, not the cloud. Samsung is betting on local intelligence. The Exynos 260 exposes a major weakness for Chinese tech giants. Companies like Huawei and Xiaomi design great devices, but rely on foreign foundries for advanced chips. Trade restrictions have cut them off from the latest manufacturing technology. They can't produce chips at the 2-nanometer level, leaving them behind. Samsung, with its own foundries, controls the entire process. This vertical integration is a huge advantage. Chinese brands can't match the Exynos 260's performance or efficiency. They're stuck with older tech and more cloud reliance. Samsung's chip is a product of independence, and that's something China can't replicate yet. Samsung's Exynos 260 strategy is bold but risky. Developing a chip from scratch costs billions and demands flawless execution. Any delay in the 2-nanometer process could set them back years. There's also the challenge of software. Developers must build apps that use the NPU's power. But without enough devices, developers may hesitate. Competition is fierce. Qualcomm and Google are racing to build their own AI chips. Samsung's lead could vanish quickly. The market is relentless. Staying ahead is a constant battle. And will consumers care about on-device AI, or just want better cameras and batteries? Samsung must show clear benefits to win people over. They're not just launching a chip, they're starting a new conversation. The risks are high, but so is the potential reward. The Exynos 260 is a gamble that could redefine Samsung's future. Samsung's vision for the Exynos 260 goes beyond smartphones. They want this chip to power everything: phones, TVs, appliances, even cars. For the first time, all these devices could work together as one intelligent system. Imagine a TV that learns your habits, a fridge that suggests recipes, a watch that monitors your health, all powered by local AI. Each device gets smarter, and they collaborate seamlessly. The result? A powerful ecosystem effect. The more Samsung devices you own, the better they work together. This could change how we think about brand loyalty. Instead of mixing brands, users may stick with Samsung for a truly integrated experience. The Exynos 260 is the key to this seamless world. It's not just a component, it's the brain of a connected universe. Samsung is building an ecosystem no other company can match. The future is intelligent, and it's all powered by Exynos. On-device AI, powered by the Exynos 260, will transform software and user experience. Developers can now build faster, more responsive apps that don't rely on the cloud. Augmented reality, accessibility, and real-time translation become seamless. For users, privacy is the biggest win. Your data stays on your device. The AI learns your habits and preferences, creating a truly personal experience. The device adapts to you, not the other way around. Samsung is betting that people want more power, privacy, and personalization. The Exynos 260 is more than hardware. It's a catalyst for change. It marks a new era for users, developers, and the entire tech world. If Samsung is right, this chip will be remembered as the start of something big. The future of computing is in your hands.